Good morning, students. Today I am going to class 12th chemistry chapter 1st haloalkanes and haloarenes. Today's topic is haloarenes because haloalkanes explained in previous video. Now start haloarenes. So, started off haloarenes. Do you know that what is haloarenes? Those aromatic compound in which one or more hydrogen atom is present. Aromatic hydrocarbon are replaced by same number of halogen atoms are called aromatic halide or haloarenes. In easy way, if any aromatic compounds like benzene, hydrogen is replaced by same number of halogen. These compounds called haloarenes are aryl halides. On the basis of position of halogen atoms in presence of aryl halides are two types. Here we show the distribution of haloarenes on the basis of position of halogen in aromatic compounds. First, nuclear substituted halide. Second, side chain substituted halide. Nuclear halides or nuclear substituted halides are when any aromatic compounds directly hydrogen replaced by halogen. These are called nuclear substituted halide. So this example, halide atom directly replaced the aromatic hydrogen and attached in the position of hydrogen. In second example, we show these halogen atoms directly replaced these hydrogen atom and at this position. So those examples are the nuclear substituted halide. In aromatic compounds like benzenes, some positions are given below. These are first position called ortho position. These are second position called meta position, and these are third position called para position. If halide atom directly attached in this position called orthohalide aromatic compound. If halide replaced hydrogen with this position called meta halide aromatic compound, and when hydrogen replaced by halogen in this position called para halide aromatic compound. These are the meta halide aromatic compound. In second type haloarenes on the basis of halogen or replaced hydrogen, side chain substituted halide. So this example in side chain substituted halide. In side chains, the compound in which halogen atoms is attached to the side chain of benzene ring are termed side chain substitution halide. So this example, these are the benzyl chloride. It is attached the side of the benzene ring. The second example, benzyl chloride. These are also attached in side position of benzene ring. These are called side chain substituted halide or side chain substituted halide aromatic compound. The next is nature of CX bond. The attachment of halogen in directly carbon made single bond. So we explain the nature of carbon halogen bond in haloarenes. First, nuclear substituted aryl halide. We explain the nature of carbon halogen bond in haloarenes according to nuclear substituted aryl halide. In nuclear substituted aryl halide, these are the bond of carbon halogen bond. In nuclear substitution aryl halide, the bond of carbon halogen is present single bond. So the single bond hybridization is sp2 type. sp2 type hybridization present and sigma bond also present in carbon halogen bond, and these carbons present one sigma bond and one pi bond. These are the stronger than these carbon and carbon bond. Hence does not give the nucleophilic substitution reaction easily because these resonance structures are shows the benzene or aryl halide benzene ring. These are lone pair gives easily breakdown in this position and this breakdown in this position. So locality of pi bond is obtained in all resonance structure, and these halogen atoms present these halide bond present few positive charge and these carbon atoms present few negative charge. All of these reactions or nucleophilic substituted aryl halide reactions, here is the halide carbon bond, and when attached any nucleophilic atoms, it is not attacked this position or halogen position is easily. So reaction is given below, but halogen replace of halogen atom very difficult, so it does not give nucleophilic substitution reaction in very easily. In rare case, these reactions are obtained. So secondly, side chain substituted aryl halide. Secondly, the side chain substitutes aryl halide. In side chain substitutes halides, these halide and carbon atoms present sp3 hybridization because halide atom attached in side chain of aromatic compound. So this carbon halogen bond easily break down, and when attached nucleophilic or this compound is attached directly in easily. So these nucleophilic substitution quite easily shows these reactions. So this example, these are the side chain substitution aryl halide easily replaced by nucleophilic or nucleophilic substitution and replace the halogen atoms. The next is the directive influence of halogen atoms in monosubstituted derivatives. In substituted aromatic compounds like benzene derivatives, benzene ring gives electrophile substitution. When attack any electrophile substituent, the substituent, these are halogen atoms already present this position. The reactivity of benzene ring and position of incoming electrophile in the ring, these effects are known active effects. If electrophile substitution more readily than unsubstituted benzene rings, then substituent is activating group. If substituent benzene ring is less reactive than unsubstituted benzene ring, then substituent is deactive group. If incoming nucleophile which are attached these benzene ring is substitute at ortho and para directing, G group is called OP directing, while electrophile attack in meta position called M directing Z group. So this example, these are the electrophile which attached these ring if ortho position and para position. These are the major products called ortho para directing Z group. In second condition, electrophile attack in meta position, this called meta directing Z group. In previous video we explained in benzene rings, these are the first position called ortho position, these are the second position called meta position, and the third position called para position. Ortho and para positions is properties are every same, so products are made ortho and para. And the meta position is different, so meta directly group is separated of ortho and para directing Z group. The next is method of preparation or preparation method of aryl halide. The first method with benzene or by halogenation of benzene in the presence of iron dust or I2 benzene directly linked the chlorine or halogen atoms, chlorobenzene are formed and replaced of HCl. In similarly, the halogenation of benzene with the presence of nitric acid gives bromobenzene and iodobenzenes. Fluorobenzenes cannot be prepared by this method. Next is the by action of PCl5 on phenol obtained chlorobenzene or aryl halide. By the action of PCl5 on phenol, if phenol react with PCl5 or treated with PCl5 obtained chlorobenzene. Second is the by Gattermann reactions. In Gattermann's reactions, benzene diazonium chloride on heating with HCl and copper powder gives chlorobenzene. If the place of HCl take HBr, then forms bromobenzene. So this reaction in the place of HCl take HBr, then form bromobenzene. The next reaction is a Raschig method. In Raschig methods obtained chlorobenzene. It is the commercial method for preparation of chlorobenzene. In Raschig methods, benzene vapor are to react HCl in the presence of air of catalyst used in cupric oxide or copper iron powder in the temperature of 200 degrees Celsius obtained chlorobenzene. It is the commercial methods of preparation of chlorobenzenes. In this method, chlorobenzenes are obtained in easily and cheaply. Next is the some physical properties of haloarenes. In physical properties, we show it is insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents like alcohol, ethers, chloroforms and acetones. Haloarenes are heavier than water. So it is insoluble in water. Their order of stability is aryl fluoride is more stable than aryl chloride. It is more stable than aryl bromide, and aryl bromide is more stable than aryl iodide. So this is the order of stability of aryl halide. These are the order of reactivity of aryl halide. Aryl iodide is more reactive than aryl bromide, and it is more reactive than aryl chloride, and it is more reactive than aryl fluoride. The next physical property of melting point and boiling point. In same aryl group or same halogen atoms, boiling point and melting point increases Mohs number. So this chart shows melting and boiling point. This molecular mass is higher, so melting and boiling point is higher than other halogen atoms. For isomeric dihalides, para isomer has higher melting point than ortho and meta isomer. So which shows para isomer, it is higher melting point than ortho and meta isomer. Then physical property is finished in haloarenes. Next videos, chemical properties of haloarenes. Now today's homework is write some other methods of preparation haloarenes. Next question is compare the nuclear substituted aryl halide and side chain substituted aryl halide. Done the homework in your notebooks. If you have any problems, then discuss in Zoom classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.